This is not pride. That is obedience. And sometimes the most obedient thing you can do is stop explaining yourself to those who will never hear you. Stop pouring into vessels that only leak. Stop hoping for fruit from trees that God has already cursed. This is not a lack of love. It is alignment with heaven. True love never, ever enables sin. True love never sacrificed truth to preserve appearances. True love walks in light, exposes darkness, and draws a line in the sand when necessary. Just because you walk away does not make you a narcissist. Because you stop answering someone's text messages or calls, it's not arrogance, it is obedience. Some wolves will only leave your life when you start setting boundaries and drawing lines in the sand. Others will be exposed the moment you stop feeding their ego. And many will call you unloving the day you say no to their manipulation. They'll call you prideful, narcissistic, egotistical, only because you will not give them what they want. They are giving a mirror of their own struggle and their words to you. Not everyone is meant to be saved. Not everyone is meant to have access to your heart, your time, or your calling. You are not obligated to keep wolves comfortable while they devour your peace. You are not called to keep deceivers close in the name of unity. Biblical unity is not agreement at all costs. It is agreement under truth. And when there is no truth, there is no unity. There is only spiritual compromise dressed up in politeness. This, guys, is a sobering warning for the remnant, especially the baby Christians. The last days are filled with deception, and the greatest attacks will not come from the world. They will come straight from inside of the church, straight from the chat from people that dress up as holy, straight through from infiltrators saying they carry the gospel of Christ. There are wolves in pulpits, wolves in worship teams, wolves in leaderships, wolves in your den. And they will not announce themselves. They will pretend to care. They will pretend to agree. But you must be discerning. Guard your heart. Guard your mind. And above all, you must be willing to lose relationships if it means preserving your walk with Christ. The fear of confrontation will keep you entangled, but the fear of the Lord will make you bold. Let God expose, let him reveal. And when he shows you the wolf, do not pray for it to change. Walk away unless God clearly says otherwise.